Hello, thanks for visiting Freesat Spares. Today I'm going to show you how to change your hard drive in your Humax HDR10XX and 1010S. Doesn't matter what type of hard drive it has, 500 gig, 1 terabyte. The process is the same. So as you may have noticed, I've already got this one apart. So what we're going to do is obviously unplug from the mains, flip the box upside down, and we're going to remove, there'll be 4 grey feet in each corner. Little rubber feet. So we take those off, and then underneath will be 4 screws. We unscrew them, and then you've just got 1 screw at the back, which would normally be here. So 5 screws in total to take it off. This one's already been apart for ease and speed of this video. The top will then just lift off. Inside, main board, hard drive. This is the bit we're going to change. I recommend unplugging from the board. Give it a little bit of a wiggle. The power lead, the red one's the data, white one's a power with a little clip there that just needs to be pushed in to disconnect it. And then you're going to take the 4 screws out for the chassis that's holding the drive in. They are here, 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 and here. And then this will lift out, disconnect the power connector from the back of the drive, otherwise it won't come out. And then you're going to take the screws out that are surrounded by the rubber blue supports. As you can see, I've already taken out. They're a bit of a funny screw. They're sort of flat. So try and remember where all these go. The hard drive will then just come out of the case, out of the chassis, I should say. And you pop your new one in the same orientation, making sure your drive connections are through the hole. Screws back into the rubber mounts. Screws back into... Oh, before you do that, I recommend putting the cable back in. Right, screws back in, here, 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 and here. Power connectors and data connectors push back in firmly, so they sort of make a little click. Pop the lid back on. Now, we sell the hard drives for these boxes. That's why I'm making this video. We've specially selected a particular type of drive that we have 99% compatibility with these Humax FREESAT boxes. To be honest with you, other hard drives will work, but some hard drives don't. Hence the reason we spent the time selecting this. All you need to do is reverse the process, screws back in here and on the back, and then pop your little rubber feet back on. Plug it back in. And once you've plugged back in, head to the settings menu, then hard drive. It should prompt you to format the drive, and you should be good to go within about 5 minutes of it carrying out that process. Another word of warning, sometimes it does look like the Humax box freezes while it's carrying out that process, but it doesn't. It just doesn't display anything of any interest for about 5 minutes. And then suddenly on the screen, you'll see the space that you have to record. If you're putting a 500 gig drive in, for example, you should get about 460 gigabyte displayed, maybe 480, depending on the particular model. And that's it. You've successfully brought your box back to life and saved it from the rubbish. Hope you found this useful. If you need any other technical information, head over to freesatspares.co.uk. We'll be happy to help.